Salve te omnes, let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 2. Sat patriae priamo quae daptum, si Pergama dextra defendi possent, etiam hoc defensa fuissent, sacra suos quae tibi commendat Troia penates. Enough has been given to the country and to Priam. If Pergama were able to be defended by a right hand, even it would have been defended by this hand. You have to supply manu here. And up here for datum, you have to supply an est. Datum est. Sacra suos quae tibi commendat Troia penates. Troy commits her sacred things and her own penates, or household gods, to you. Remember, this is Hector talking here, and he is saying that Aeneas needs to flee, there's nothing more he can do, and he needs to take the sacred relics of Troy with him whenever he flees the city. Grammatically, there is not a whole lot to talk about here. We have a conditional here, saying if Troy were able to be defended, even it would have been defended by this hand. And then over here, this is pretty straightforward. Commendat sacra suos penates tibi, Troia. Troy commits her sacred things and her own household gods to you. Dative of possession.